The sixth question we have in hand is related to rounding of numbers. For all the numbers like 30.6 or 30.67, if we need to round it off to one decimal place, then we'll round it off as 30.7. But in these cases, when the digit you have to round it off to first decimal place. Now this second digit beside that is 5. Now in cases of 5, there is a confusion. So you always remember this rule, that whenever there is a 5, let's suppose we take this example 30.75. Now in this example we have to round it off to this digit, and this following number is 5. So what we do in case of 5 is that if the preceding digit is an odd number, 7 is an odd number, so we add 1 to it. So this is rounded off as 30.8. Right. Now in case of this number 30.85, again here the number is 5 and we have to round it off to this place. Now in this place the number is even. So when the number is even, we just drop the 5 and this number is rounded off as 30.8. So both these 30.75 and 30.85 are rounded off as 30.8. This is the final answer, and you need to remember is that the final digit which you are rounding off to, in case of the next digit being 5, is that both the numbers are finally even.